want to be in the video? Okay. You can be in the video. You can help me cook. Hey there, I'm author Sarah A. Chrisman, and today I'm making an 1886 recipe from the Farm and Household Encyclopedia. This is potato cakes for breakfast. And I think Psyche's going to help me cook. You like this book, don't you? Yes, you like this book. It's yours. It's yours.
The original 1886 recipe for this dish from the Farm and Household Encyclopedia, a complete ready reference library for farmers, gardeners, fruit growers, stockmen, and housekeepers, reads, Potato cakes for breakfast. Save from dinner a soup plate of mashed potatoes, add to it half a saltspoonful of pepper, the same of nutmeg, a little salt, and the yolk of an egg. Form into small cakes, put in a buttered baking pan, brush the top with the white of an egg, and brown in a quick oven.
So my mashed potatoes turned out to be a little too moist and sloppy for this to work. I couldn't roll them into balls. So I added a little bit of cornmeal, and I'm also adding a little bit of white flour. So hopefully this will make something I can roll into balls. The original author of the recipe probably was counting on people adding less milk than I do to their mashed potatoes. And even after I added some cornmeal and a little bit of flour, it's still not really the consistency I can roll. So I'm just going to go ahead and drop it by spoonfuls onto a baking sheet, and it'll all come out okay in the end. I will still brush it with the egg white that I saved. There we go. So these took about a half an hour, 35 minutes to turn nice and brown, and that's going to depend a lot on how moist your mashed potatoes are when you start, because mashed potatoes, there is no common standard for mashed potatoes. But I'm having these with bacon and eggs, and I think they would go well with any of our typical breakfast proteins, honestly. Bacon, ham. I think actually if you wanted to if you had extra mashed potatoes you needed to use up, you could even substitute these for the biscuits and gravy. Just anytime you have extra mashed potatoes to use up, this is a way to use them up, and a lot of 19th century recipes were for using up little extras like that. So, there you go. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a nice thumbs up, and thanks for watching. And don't forget to tell your friends about my books. Happy reading!